Hi, I'm Suresh Kumar, an artist, sculptor, and gardener. I'm teaching this CRX course for undergraduates and postgraduates who are tied up for the clay work. In this course, we focus mostly to work on the clay, both making both creative works and also learning about basics of pottery and things like that, and also the knowledge about clay and how it is made, and also the preparation of clay, things like that. And also we cover a lot of artistry about the how artists evolved over the years. Art form evolved, modeling from the stone age to the current times. How we kind of approach changes, and how we have been handling like clay and its purposes and many aspects towards it. So we try to cover all that. And today there is a CRX Mela happening, where all the different CRX course faculty members have made a lot of works possible with the students in during the course time. And like there's a dance and there's a music and there's also painting and sculpture and craft works and things like that. So they all have kind of put up some display works here. And today we are demonstrating a portrait of one of the student batch course mate. And so it's a collective work. Everyone are trying their hands making this head study or a portrait possible.